Hi, my name's Julio.
And my name's Aliyah.
And here are this week's updates from Monday Highlanders. Updates from leadership. Prom 2022 tickets are still on sale, and each ticket costs $55. Prom will take place at Wolf Lake, and this year's theme is a night in Athens. You can purchase your ticket during lunch on the stage. If you need guest passes, please visit the financial technician's office here at McLean. Updates from counseling. Students, if you need to recover credits for high school graduation, please see your counselor immediately. There are classes that are being offered before school and after school that you can take right now. Do not wait. Time is running out in the semester to get you caught up. Seniors, if you haven't yet, it is time to create your web grant account. You'll be using this account to declare the college you plan to attend next year, so that financial aid knows where to send your money. You can also view information regarding your grants on there. If you need any support, please see your counselor during lunch or after school. Seniors, if you plan on attending Fresno State next year, it is time to accept your admission and register for Dog Days orientation to secure your spot. If you need any support, please see your counselor. If you did not attend registration advising with a Fresno City College advisor, please schedule a makeup appointment as soon as possible.
This week's headlines, local news. In local news, McLean's very own Coach Busch was selected as KSEE 24's Educator of the Week. Coach Busch is a history teacher here at McLean, and he is also the head coach of our Lady Highlanders softball team. Karina Castillo, one of the members of the Lady Highlanders softball team, said about Coach Busch that it's one thing to be a coach, another thing to be a mentor, but a completely different thing to be a leader. We're proud to be led by a coach, mentor, and leader like you. Thank you for being you. Congrats to Coach Busch on being KSEE 24's Educator of the Week. U.S. news. Inflation, or when the cost of goods and services start to go up, is a real problem here in the U.S., and some lawmakers are seeking to ease the burden by providing direct payments to help lessen the blow for families. Several states, including California, Kansas, and Minnesota, are thinking about including direct payments to their residents in their state budget, with certain states like Maine considering sending payments of up to $850 per person. World news. In world news, an Italian baker has decided to start making peace bread and other sweets for Ukrainian refugees. Matteo Consuelo is selling his peace bread, made in the colors of the Ukrainian flag, to help raise money that will help refugees from Ukraine relocate to Italy. He is planning to bring the bread along with a truck loaded with diapers, food, medicine, clothes, and other essential supplies to the Ukrainian-Polish border as soon as next week. Athlete of the Week. This week's Athlete of the Week is Eduardo Jimenez from our baseball team. Coach Felix Juarez says that Eduardo is an exceptional student and athlete, and he works hard in the classroom and on the field. Eduardo's work ethic will allow him to graduate with high honors and be the future of McLean's baseball team. Way to go, Eduardo. And if you happen to see this week's Athlete of the Week on campus, make sure to congratulate him and thank him for all his hard work and dedication. Thanks for watching.
And make sure to tune in for next week's episode of Monday Highlights.